Allow me to introduce the decadent Double Up Mocha from Zarrafa's Coffee. A double shot of Zarrafa's signature espresso infused with rich chocolate fudge and topped with texturized milk. Finished off with our special mocha whipped cream and dark chocolate flakes. It's doubly indulgent, doubly irresistible. Say hello to the HTC One XL on Telstra's 4G network. Drop into the store today and ask about their new 4G HTC One XL smartphone exclusive to Telstra. This year, take the hassle out of Christmas at Baker's Delight. Traditional Christmas cakes, fruit mince tarts, lemon tarts, all baked fresh in store 7 days a week. 'Tis the season to be eating at Baker's Delight. Beyond the bright lights and glitz, what really goes on after dark on the Gold Coast? Join the early risers breakfast as they delve into the naughty but nice side of this sunny town.
Cold Rock Ice Creamery.
Mix that, smash it!
Love it. Seriously mixed up ice cream. We're offering you our exclusive Christmas lay-by here at Kmart. Look out for the distinctive Christmas tree label on all items that are available to lay-by right through until December 1. Exceed. X6. The new BMW X6. I can't believe Josh is going back to school already. Neither can he. His shoes are shinier than they'll ever be again. The pencils are sharpened, the new bag's packed, and the go-kart is all topped up. Wide open spaces loaded with snow. Breathtaking scenery at every turn. Plenty of après ski entertainment. New Zealand ski season is open for business, so it's time to hit the slopes. Oh, so sparkly. Oh, yes. 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 Oh, it's beautiful. Yes. Showcase Jewelers. Hot new jewellery styles at sexy prices. A yummy chilled OJ teamed with a lightly toasted ham and cheese croissant. Or perhaps a full-bodied espresso and an apple and cinnamon muffin. Leave home on an empty tum-tum? Prices fresh. For a breakfast baked fresh this morning. You're what, 35 give or take? It's still just the two of you and you so want it to be 3. What's wrong with me, you're asking? You've researched falling pregnant but you still have questions. City Fertility has helped 90% of women that have had a baby with them become pregnant within 1 to 3 cycles. Gourmet Traveller, in association with Range Rover, invite you to dine at one of the newest and finest Gold Coast restaurants. Salt Grill, Hilton Service Paradise. Did you know that AirTrain can arrange for a chauffeur to come to your door and drop you at the closest train station? It's called AirTrain Connect. Book online and save 10%. Catch the train, make the plane.
AirTrain.
Whitbreads still make all our favourite flavours and cordials too. Hey kids, want a Whitbreads?
Yay!
Some things don't change no matter what generation. At the Triumph Warehouse sale, there's nothing over $25.
Nothing.
Briefs are from $2, bras starting from $5. But you'll also find sports bras, minimisers and maternity bras at up to 70% off. Did you know that heart disease is the #1 killer of Australian women? Support the Heart Foundation's Go Red for Women campaign and take the 10 Seconds for 10 Years Heart Health Pledge. Kate and Wills, Posh and Bex. There are some great double A's around, but nothing compares to our new star from Zarrafa's Coffee, the Double Up Mocha. A double shot of espresso, chocolate fudge and hot texturized milk, topped with mocha whipped cream and dark chocolate flakes. It's doubly indulgent and doubly irresistible.